Fridays for us are usually date night where we just wrap up the week, unwind, sip on some red wine and my wonderful single malt. However, of late, we've just gone down the greasy Chinese route, ready-made and ordering in. We're deciding to take back control. Don't forget to subscribe, hit on the bell icon as we create broccoli, salmon coming together with a fantastic spaghetti a la Jason. I'm going to slow poach some salmon. So out here I'm putting nearly 20 to 25 mils of extra virgin olive oil into the pan. Just allow it to get nice and warm. Into that I'm going to take 6 cloves of garlic. Allow it to sizzle, burnish and brown along with 2 dehydrated red chillies, the Kashmiri kind, and just allow it to stain and infuse. Subtle flavors coming together. I've had some salmon fillets lying in the fridge, so one fillet here and the other one here, and an additional small piece just that was lying there. We're going to cook this in a single pot. The purpose out here is to take back control over date night and not just increase your chores of washing. A simmering pot of salted water. In goes spaghetti to get to the perfect al dente stage. I'm just going to flip these over. Salmon is very forgiving, so it allows you to play around and accentuate its flavor. Having peeled off the salmon skin, we're just going to loosely flake this now and allow it to cook. Some would say I'm mothering the salmon, but the flavor just intensifies. In goes about 200 grams of broccoli florets blanched. A fine sprinkling of some celery sea salt now because you want the flavors to intensify. And a medley of 6 peppers. Al dente spaghetti going right in. A little bit of that boiling liquor going in. And now we're going to add something that is really fun and a twist to my regular. A heaped tablespoon of cream of cashew nut. So just take about 100 grams of cashew nuts, put it into salted boiling water and puree it to the finest possible paste. And that emulates the creamy texture without the dairy indulgence. A fantastic creation in a single pot requires some air-dried basil on top and we are good to go. Dinner ready, or rather date night wonder ready. Now I'm going to sound really cheesy, but the salmon and the broccoli coming together, spicy with the aglio olio, the garlic and the chili like me, and the subtle Alfredo like my wonderful. A perfect date night meal done right. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.